Hello and welcome back to Donnie Days. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so someone else can benefit from the information. Let's get into the video. Welcome to the month of September. We're going to do a quarterly budget update, sort of like a check-in. I have two questions for you. Question number one is, did you stay on track since the last quarterly update back in the month of June? Question number two, did you meet your quarterly savings goals? If not, then no need to panic. Simply sit down and follow the following 3 steps. Step number 1, reevaluate your budget by tracking your spending habits since the month of June. If you don't know how to track your spending habits, there'll be a link in the description for you. What areas of your budget needed to be updated? Did you notice that your originally allocated amounts were a bit more expensive than you anticipated them to be? Step number 2. Be sure that your budget is either written down or formatted in a program so you can easily keep up with it. You want to have your financial roadmap clearly mapped out so that you can make easy and quick updates to it whenever you need to. And step number 3. Create new financial goals to start today and carry through till December. Restart your debt and savings goals to fit your current budget. Some pointers to keep in mind. Make sure your budget is realistic and not starving. To identify a starving budget, there will be a link in the description for that one. Using your credit cards today will only make your available cash for next month tighter, so be careful when it comes to credit cards. There is a difference between a savings fund and an emergency fund. An efficient and realistic budget will fit your real-life spending habits. And not to mention that action is key. Motivation is often the result of action, not the cause of it. JamesClear.com. Think of it like this, a stairwell. The more steps you take in an upwards motion will bring you closer to your financial goals. Take back your budget, set yourself up for success, and map out your plan and stick to it. For more tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Donnie Days right here on YouTube. And also don't forget to follow us on social media. That's Budget Unlock on Facebook and Instagram. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.